there exists ambient electricity in our environment. The bottles are very high quality Mexican copper. The ambient electricity is attracted to the copper. The small black substance holding the little silver balls is a electrically conductive glue, and the little silver balls are very powerful neodymium magnets. The magnet's magnetic force goes away from density, whereas the ambient electricity goes towards density. And having the two in balance in the bottle creates a neutral or 0-point field inside of the bottle. The layout of the magnets on the bottle using the electrically conductive glue, okay, is such that it creates movement of energy in the bottle in a yin aspect. Right hand spin. Okay? Humans' natural spin is to the opposite side, yang, left hand spin. Take note that the planet is spinning yin, the galaxy is spinning yin. Humans are the exact opposite. Okay? And so there's a natural, the humans existing on the planet, there's a balance there, okay? Whereas in the human body, it likes balance. And so humans, if you can approach humans in a way that you can treat everything in a form that creates balance, it enhances the aspect of the human. And so each bottle has a specific spacing of those little magnets, okay? And the angle of inclination is very specific of the spiral line going around the bottles. And the variation that you can create in that is that you can duplicate frequencies using spin and the spacing of the magnets. So the bottles right now that are available to people are the 432 Hertz bottle, which is the frequency of water. It's also a healing frequency. And note that 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9, a Tesla number. Another frequency that we use is the 40.5, which is 4 plus 5 is 9, another Tesla number. And that's the number, that's the frequency of hydrogen, the most common element in the universe. And then there's another one that's a 528, which is 528 Hertz, which is 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 8 is 15, 5 plus 1 is 6, another Tesla number. And so when you drink or breathe in atmospheric particles of this water that's created in this bottle, in this 432 bottle, it is like putting a drop of water in the ocean. Humans are 75-80% water, and when you put a droplet of this water into this bag of water that you are, it's just like putting a drop into the ocean. It goes everywhere at once. It's totally dispersed. And so when you focus your medulla, or your brain, your reptilian brain, the brain that's actually in charge of everything in your body, which is designed to protect you and to help you adapt and evolve, okay? That aspect of your brain will focus very minutely if you learn to use it, okay? That it will go to a very specific point, one little neuron, okay? And when you inhale that mist or drink that drop of water, that balance, that's yin balance that's in that droplet, goes directly to where the brain is focused on. And consequently, it creates a neutral aspect to that particular point because it's in balance, yin and yang, right and left. Just like the humans being on the planet. We're in balance with this planet. That's why we exist here. So now we're creating a deeper balance inside the human. Okay? And you can use this to treat many different things. One way you can try it for yourself is to focus on something that's abstract in your body, and see if the water can change how it feels to you. Now, obviously, the key is to being able to feel on a profound level. Some people feel more deeply and precisely than others, okay? But one general thing that you can do is to focus on like an emotion. Emotions are stored electrically in the body. So, and they're stored in very specific locations. So you focus on that location. So you just find whatever emotion you want to focus on that you don't want to physically affect you anymore, okay, but exists in your physical body. So you go there, pinpoint that location exactly down to a neuron, down to a very finite neuron, pinpoint it and feel it. Maybe put a number on it, like 1 to 10, and remember exactly where it's at. Go to that exact neuron and remember where it's at. And then you take a sip of the water or take a spray of the water and inhale it. You don't even have to even put it directly in your face, just anywhere around you, and it comes in contact with your body, okay, and see what happens. Focus on it. Feel it. Feel the change. If it moves, the original one is no longer there. You might call it the same thing, but it's in a different location. So you follow it, and you follow it that way. All right, so test it for yourself. All right, so that's my understanding of the basic physics of the bottle and how and why it works. I hope this helps you, and come online, take the classes to train your brain to be sensitive to a broader band of frequencies and movement, like torsion. And as your brain learns, again, something that it already has, we've blocked it, but you can reanimate that. You can bring it back to life, that ability to feel on a more profound level. And when you do that, you will be able to adapt and evolve much faster, and you can survive a better quality of life for your friends, your family, and people in general. So survivability is enhanced significantly when you're more sensitive to all these other factors that have been wiped out of our sensitivity location in our brains. We had it, humans had it a long, long time ago, but it's been bred out of us. So we're going back and activating something that we all had as humans evolved on this planet. So let's activate that stuff. And when we do that, we connect not only deeper to ourselves, but people around us. And hopefully it'll enhance the quality of lives of everyone around us.